Well done, Matrix. Look how far you've come. Midway through your journey. Keep up the momentum. Book your place at our exam workshops and boost your marks for the June exams. Sign up now for a smoother ride through prelims or trials and those looming finals. Join our experienced facilitators and master the content you've covered so far.
Try to maximize as much.
Our rock star is back to cover the literature sections of both the IEB and government matric papers. Ask questions, check your methods, polish those rough edges. Mid-year exams matter. These marks impact your university options, they influence your portfolio mark, they build resilience to reduce the stress of finals. Matric is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Consistency is the key to success. So let's help you train for it. TLC workshops will give you the final push you need to reach the finish line.